it's Morgan with WTI.
I absolutely love this resin kit from JILLSKY. I am a beginner and I've been wanting to get into crafts with resin for a while, and this kit was so perfect to start with. It comes with so many different options of decorations, glitter, gemstones, dye, little stickers, and lots of different molds. This thing is so cool. I love that it has options for jewelry making too. So pretty much any kind of craft that you want to get into, this is the perfect place to start with resin because it comes with so many different things. I found it really, really helpful, easy to use, and I just loved the results. I think this is so cool. I definitely had a really fun time. So once you get your resin separately and you mix it, pour it into your molds, then you can have fun. You can start decorating with the little gems and the decorations. And I really love the dye and the little gold mica pieces. The glitter was really fun too. So this is just a super fun project that you can do yourself or with your family or friends. And it's so fun to see what you can come up with. This is a really great resin kit for beginners and I totally recommend it.
I love this resin kit, and that's my point of view.